Good day, I'm Prince, and together with my group members, we'll be explaining our project and how far we've come with regards to software engineering project that was given to us. So, the task was to develop and implement a robust system for a client, and what we are doing for our client is to design and implement an e-commerce web application that will enable customers to place orders, track orders, to be able to generate tracking numbers when order has been placed, and also to check when they get their product. So that's all we are doing, and the aim.
Hello, I'm Nyanulari Edem Kweku, and I'm on the front-end team of the Supercoders, that's Group 47 of our DCIT208 project. To meet the goal of our project, the front-end team were given a timeline of 2 weeks to create the landing page as well as the login and registration page. I was tasked to create the landing page, and to meet this goal, I've worked hard to create most of it, and I'm adding a bit of touch-ups to make sure it's complete how our client wants it. So the language we are basically using is React, and for my login, for the landing page, I'm working in components. So my components have been divided into a navigation bar, a header, a slider image which displays or gives an idea of our client's product, then followed by a text box which also displays available products which are being sold, followed by a footer which has been designed to share information and contacts about our clients. Yes, so for now, the landing page has been created by me, and the login page has been created by my teammate Richmond, and that's the updates from the front-end team for now. Thank you.
My name is Naku Richmond Inote, taking over from my learned colleague Larry. I'll be talking about the sprint plan. So, on the topic of sprint planning, I, as a front-end developer, gave myself a timeline, which was to complete the login and registration form as a system requirement in a week, 2 weeks time. And adhering to such a timeline, I've been able to deliver as required. Yeah, that is all. Also, tasks were assigned to team members based on their expertise and their availability, and taking into consideration the fact that I also set timeline for myself. Timeline was also set for my team members in order to avoid overcommitting and to ensure a balanced workload across the team. It was made known to us that through this way we'll be able to maintain a steady and a stable development space.
Good day, I'm Morgan, a backend developer for Supercoders team, Group 47 for software engineering. I'm working in accordance with front-end developers. So far, front-end developers have been able to create a login page and a registration page, as long as some aspects of the landing page. For the login page and the registration page, database system have been created to be able to accumulate user information. That's users that will create new users that will come in and already existing users. So for the new users, information should be accumulated, and for the already existing users, they can make updates like changes on their information, that's their details. Also, as the project is ongoing, pages like carts, orders, product details will be created. And as a backend developer, we'll create database to be able to surface for all these pages. That database will be created to contain all these images, so as admin and users can use them for their preferences. That be okay.
I'm Asmani Gideon, a backend developer in my group's project. I'm responsible for the API that links the front end to the back end, which is the database of our project. The API, which is application programming interface, will act as an intermediary that allows the front end, which is the client side of the application, to communicate with the back end, which is the server side, accessing information from the database based on the input of the client. My colleagues have already worked on the login page and the landing page, so I'm creating the API that will access information from the database back to the front end side. Yeah.